My mind is literally blown already. Here he is. What are these chickens doing? Good looking gaggle. Handsome rooster. And the chicken's not bad either. BS doing a little chicken crouch. Tries to do a little tickle gesture. Oh no, it's a black snake. Chickens and snakes do not mix. Gotta get them somewhere safe, BS. This should be good. Down here. They like this little shady glade. Night waterfall. Taking us somewhere at night, Black Shots. This creek is a beauty. Chicken Creek. That's the water clarity. You'd swim in it. Well, Green Shorts is doing some rock hops as per usual. This babbling brook looks heavenly. Any yabbies? Goes in for a drink. Some yabby effluent water. A shy lizard. Big root. GS enjoying the Jurassic Park vibes. Excuse me, tree. And here we go. Showing off. Careful on the moss. Can't keep his fingers out of that water. What have we got here? Another lizard. Dramatic. These lizards need to chill out. I'm liking this new outfit variation. That looks swimmable. The yabbies might bite the pinky toes, but YOLO. Bigger waterhole. Chicken Creek's really opening up. Traversing the mossy rocks here. Any water creatures? Tickles the stream. What have we got here? A lady beetle. A nice orange spotted ladybird. Oh, this lizard spotted the ladybird. He's salivating. What's that bee doing? Watch out, lizard. The lady beetle. And the hungry lizard. And his bee offsider. Look at him, he's dreaming of slurping his tongue out and getting a mouthful of ladybird. Why don't you just eat that bee? Lizards around him. This place. The waterfall must be upstream. Is that it? Oh, what? It's an eel. A shy eel. Cruising the water's edge. Hiding from GFs. Taking cover under some leaves. Little slippery sucker. There's the waterfall. Bit slippery there, GS. Be careful. Old Green Shorts, bit of Tarzan action. And we've made it to the waterfall. The toes are out. The eels. Can't wait to suck on them. Deeper he goes. He's around the other side now, dipping the toes in, literally, lazing around. Oh, it's a nice dragonfly, having a rest, sitting next to GS, GS's new BF, having a little lie down with his blue tail. And we're in. eels dine on the toes. The rock straddler and the waterfall of joy. Reading. Who knew we could read? Could be performative. It's a lyrebird. Remember these guys? With their mimicking voice. Oh, he's on the run. Little road runner. Where is he, GS? Oh, he's in there. Oh, it's that big root. Give it a shake, Tarzan. He loves grabbing the roots today. Oh, it's another nervous lizard. Gone too soon. And we're back at base for now. What the hell? Oh, the chickens are back. Thought I told you guys to stay in the glade, away from that snake. Later that evening, old grey pants emerges. It's cold now. It's layering up. What's that? Oh, it's a king parrot eating some random fruit. Big red guy having a nibble. We're on our way to the waterfall, but this time it's night time. Back to the big root. Pull on the roots. Have you lost your mind, old grey pants? This looks kind of sketchy. But he wants to see the waterfall at night. As we head up Chicken Creek. Don't fall over. Are there werewolves in Australia? That eel would be fast asleep. Dragonfly would have his eyes closed. And here it is, the nighttime waterfall. What we all came for. Does look good. The rock straddler. It still flows all night. Down a spooky trail. Lucky you've got that torch. Oh no, the batteries. We're good. You lost, old grey pants. Giving lost vibes. This is not good. He looks worried. Oh, this is some scary shit. I'm not sure how I feel about this new direction for you. Are you actually lost? You've already walked down here. And we're back. I recognise that grass. That was a really nice adventure. Thanks, Jess. It was different and unusual.